Life of the Buddha Part 3. Struggle for Enlightenment. He spent fasting a week in the Anupiya mango grove, enjoying the bliss of solitude. On the 8th day, with the bowl in hand, eyes cast down, he went from door to door in the streets of Rajagaha seeking alms. The people and the king Bimbisara were amazed at the sight of such a noble figure seeking alms in the city. The king ordered people to go and see who he was. After getting enough food to eat, he went to the Pandava rock. When he saw the food, it seems as if his bowels gushed out to the mouth on seeing the mixed food which he had never seen. He advised himself and ate the food. When the messengers reported this matter to the king hurried to the scene and offered him his kingdom. He refused and said that he was intent on Buddhahood. The king was pleased to hear his lofty objectism. The king Bimbisara invited him to visit his kingdom first after his Buddhahood. Seeking the truth. To seek truth, he went first to a well-known ascetic named Alara Kalam and studied his doctrine. He was not pleased with Alara Kalama's system because he taught him up to a certain mental stage only. As he did not get what he sought, he went to another famous ascetic named Uddaka Ramaputta. He was not pleased with Uddaka's system too, as he also taught him up to a still higher mental stage only. He was not satisfied with their systems because he was seeking Nibbana, the end of all suffering. He was not discouraged, though he met with disappointment. He made up his mind to find out the truth for himself. He chose Urvela, a beautiful quiet spot. 5 monks named Kondanya, Badya, Vappa, Mahanama and Assaji attended to him. Who was Kondanya? He was the youngest Brahmin who foretold his future on the name-giving day. The others were the sons of 4 Brahmins who were present on the occasion. To gain Buddhahood, he struggled for 6 long years. He did many penances. He underwent much suffering. He practiced many forms of severe austerity. He tormented his body so much so that his body was reduced to almost a skeleton. His golden-colored skin turned pale. His blood dried up. His eyes were sunk. He was almost on the verge of death. At this stage, Mara, the evil one, approached him. Mara said, "You are lean. Near to you is death. Live, O good sir. Life is better. Living you could perform merit." The Bodhisattva replied, "O evil one, you have come for your own sake. I need no merit. I care not for life. I am intent on Buddhahood." The Bodhisattva said that Mara's army consisted of 10 kinds of passions. The Mara did not succeed in tempting the Bodhisattva. He went away disappointed.